Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an amazing story for you. It's about an ordinary farmer who made an extraordinary discovery. So, let's get started on this exciting adventure. Once upon a time, in a quiet, green valley, lived a farmer named Jack. Every day, Jack worked hard on his farm. He planted corn, tended to his animals, and enjoyed the simple country life. His farm was surrounded by rolling hills and dense forests, a place full of natural beauty. One sunny afternoon, while chasing a runaway sheep, Jack noticed something unusual. Near a large, old oak tree, there was a dark opening in the ground, almost completely hidden by overgrown bushes. He had never seen this hole before. Curiosity got the better of him. He carefully cleared away the bushes and saw that it was the entrance to a cave. The air coming from the cave was cool and smelled of damp earth. Jack was a little hesitant, but his adventurous spirit took over. He went back to his farmhouse, grabbed a strong flashlight, and returned to the mysterious opening. He took a deep breath and stepped inside. The cave was much larger than he had imagined. As his flashlight beam cut through the darkness, he saw incredible rock formations hanging from the ceiling. These are called stalactites, and rising from the floor were similar formations called stalagmites. The cave was silent, except for the sound of dripping water, which echoed peacefully around him. It felt like stepping into another world, a secret place untouched by time. As Jack ventured deeper into the cave, his light landed on something that wasn't a rock. It was a collection of objects, neatly arranged on a flat ledge. He moved closer to get a better look. There were several clay pots, some broken, but others perfectly intact. They were beautifully decorated with strange patterns he had never seen before. Next to the pots, he found tools made of stone. There were sharp arrowheads, probably used for hunting, and a stone axe with a smooth, polished head. These artifacts looked ancient, like they had been left here thousands of years ago. Who had made them? Who had lived in this cave so long ago? Jack was filled with wonder and excitement. He continued to explore and found more incredible things. On one of the cave walls, there were paintings. The colors were faded, but he could still make out the shapes of animals: deer, bison, and maybe even a large bear. There were also handprints, outlines of hands that seemed to be reaching out from the past. It was like an ancient art gallery, telling the story of the people who once called this cave home. Jack knew this discovery was too important to keep to himself. These artifacts weren't just old objects. They were a precious link to a lost history. He carefully backed out of the cave, making sure not to disturb anything. He marked the entrance so he could find it again and hurried to the local town to report his findings to the museum. Soon, archaeologists and historians arrived at the farm. They were amazed by what Jack had found. They confirmed that the cave was a significant archaeological site, a window into the lives of prehistoric people. The artifacts and paintings provided valuable clues about how they lived, hunted, and expressed themselves through art. The cave became famous, and it was named Jack's Cave in his honor. It was carefully preserved so that future generations could learn from it. Jack, the humble farmer, had become a hero. His accidental discovery connected the present with the distant past, reminding us all that history is hidden everywhere around us, just waiting to be found. What an incredible story, right? It shows that you never know what secrets the world holds. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey today. If you enjoyed this story, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. See you next time.